another reaction. Okay.
I'm Sophia, the
Kellz
Quavo'S
channel. Welcome back to our channel. Sophia, let them know.
We about to be at Quavo tribute to Takeoff at the Grammys 2020.
As you know, the Grammys just came out. We didn't get to watch, so we're checking out some performance with your guys. So let's get into it.
That's all you guys say.
Yeah. I actually heard this song before.
Huh?
They just cut right to it. You know, you could tell, look at his eye, he's sad. He gotta be really strong to go up there and sing this song. I know they did, and that song always make me cry. See you again. Oh, that's nice what he doing for him.
Right.
I think they just cut some because like he was already rapping before we.
What the hell?
Yeah, they chopped this up.
No, not even that. I mean, it's not that. I mean, I know it was chopped up, but I'm like, then you see this right here. You see it?
Really? That's what fight Offset at the Grammys. After he just did that, they emotional
right now.
Emotional wreck right now. So you emotional all over the place. You just don't know how to act. You bust out. You do stuff, and you know they hurt right now. But they just lost their good friend. So
I think who these people? Grammy would post the original video tomorrow. So I'm not really sure if this was the full video or like a cut version.
Yeah, it definitely had to be a cut because part of the verse was it went straight. Because I heard the song before on YouTube, so I feel like part of the verse was cut. We didn't get to really hear the whole verse.
I saw like it was longer.
Yeah, a little long. It's not that long, but he said more. You know what I'm saying? He said more. It just like it said you saw a little bit of his verse and then it went to the hook. You know what I'm saying?
Well, kind of like I feel like he was hurt. Yeah, you can tell in his voice when he's singing it. What you thought about it?
Yeah, it's sad when you lose somebody. So,
especially like a homie like that. Like he was still young, yeah.
So,
and they was a group for like a long time. I used to listen to them like when I was like a couple years back.
Yeah, we saw the migos perform like 3 times at Summer Jam. So
I was there when it was Wishy Washy.
I remember I didn't know what Wishy Washy was. I like Wishy Washy. She put me on to the migos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So. I'm glad they made it, and they always gonna be in his heart, you know.
Yeah. So we just say rest in peace to Takeoff. You know what I'm saying? We send prayers out to them, to Quavo, Offset, and his family. So, cause you know this is tough right now for them. So all we can do is pray for them and God touch their heart and give them the strength to keep moving each and every day. So that's all we can do is pray to God because it's sad what happened, but like he said, he wish he had a time machine to go back in time, but like it don't work like that. So.
Shit, I need me a time machine.
Right. Well, anyway, guys, this is the end of this reaction. Leave a like and comment down below. I'm Kellz.
I'm Sophia.
Kellz Channel. Peace.